pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Wait.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. A child abduction has been issued for Cook IL. There is a missing child and police are searching for the missing child. This child's name is Michael Sam. Michael Sam is a white male, 7 years old, 5 feet tall, with light brown hair, weighs around 100 pounds, and wearing a green shirt and light yellow pants. If you spotted the missing child, dial 911. Again, this is a child abduction emergency for Cook IL, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
You go every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.